Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing a wash and go. The things I'm going to use are the Camille Rose Curl Maker, Wetline Extreme Styling Gel, spray bottle of water, headbands to separate my hair, and a Denman brush. Now, before we get started, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Now let's get to the video. So now I'm just gonna start sectioning my hair. So now I got two pieces from the back. I think I'm gonna start with this side because it has less. I'm gonna separate it into another smaller section. Okay, that's a good amount. Now I'm gonna spray with my spray bottle. Just making my hair soaked. Make sure my hair is soaked. Let me make sure my hair, I'm gonna make sure my hair isn't in my Denman brush. Always clean out your brushes. Okay. I'm just detangling it first with my brush before I use the curl maker. So there you go. See my curls? I'm trying to make it more visible to you guys. Okay, now I'm gonna put the Camille Rose and glide it and smooth it down. Glide it, then smooth it down. Trying to make sure it's visible to you guys. I'm just gonna go in with my Denman brush again, like at least one more time. Trying to make sure you guys see. I don't know how to make sure you guys see. Now I'm gonna use the styling gel. That's kind of a lot. Smooth it in, then rake it. See, it's all nice. It's all nice. Now I'm gonna do the next section. Going in with the Camille Rose. Gliding it through and smoothing it. Now wet line extreme. And those are the curls. The tricky part about washing those is like I never really know how to make them last. Like after one day, I don't really know how to like sleep without the curls getting messed up. So if you guys got any tips on that, let me know in the comments. So now I'm gonna go in with the water. Part my hair clearly because the parting doesn't really matter to me. Now I'm gonna brush. Try to be gentle. And you don't want to brush through your hair too many times, you know what I'm saying? Should I do this all in one go? Nah. So yeah. Now I'm gonna start with the back section. I'm just re-tying this, making this more secure. So yeah, This is completely dry and now I'm about to saturate it. Let me fix the camera. Okay guys, I'm done with my wash and go. So this is the end result. I mean, this part kind of like dried up already, so maybe this part is still kind of wet, this part is more dry. So yeah, thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post. And thanks for watching. Bye guys. Thank you.